Hello, I'm Otem, and accurate temperature is our mission. Measurement distance. One of the key conditions for ensuring high quality and accurate pyrometer measurements is that the target object must fully cover the entire measurement spot. In the case that the minimum profile width is 16.7 mm, a measurement spot diameter of 0.15 mm is ideal. Our pyrometer model A5SEX is factory calibrated for a working distance of 1500 mm, providing a measurement spot size of 0.15 mm, well within your required range. If the working distance changes, either shorter or longer, the measurement spot will become slightly defocused and increase in size accordingly. Refer to the diagram below for a visual representation of this principle. A5SIN and A5SEX pyrometer with scanner, standard version with FOV101. Measurement spot size for working distance focusing on 1500 mm. Working distance millimeter. Measurement spot diameter millimeter. Minimal measured temperature by A5EX. Typically, pyrometer manufacturers specify the temperature range using a standardized black body source with an emissivity of epsilon equals 1.0. However, for real-world objects with lower emissivity values, the actual minimum measurable temperature will be higher than the value stated in the datasheet. For example, our pyrometer A5EX specified for the range at epsilon equals 1.0 is 105 to 900 Celsius. The actual minimal measurable temperature for objects with lower emissivity is shown in the table below. The following diagram shows examples of profile with different shapes, along with their corresponding emissivity values. For example, when measuring a flat profile with a highly reflective surface, the pyrometer provides readings up to about 200 Celsius. Beyond that, it will display out of range. This means you can monitor the temperature down to 200 Celsius, and when the reading disappears, it indicates that the temperature has fallen below this point. In cases where the profile has a more complex shape, the pyrometer can usually measure down to around 180 to 185 Celsius. Refer to the following slides for a data logger recording that shows measurements on the cooling table. It records the temperature of the profile after the quenching stage, both before and after the cooling chamber is activated. As shown in the chart, once the temperature reaches 200 Celsius, the pyrometer stops displaying the reading and switches to out-of-range mode. When using the 4 to 20 mA analog output, this is indicated by the signal dropping to the minimum value of 4 mA. This demonstrates how the pyrometer can be effectively used on the cooling table to monitor minimum temperatures.